and give glad tidings to the patient. Number one is fear. Allah says at the end of this verse, وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'du, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَلَا نَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. صدق الله المولان العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. That is what I would like to discuss today. هذا مهم جدا للجميع. Its significance is very deep and it's very important for everyone. على أي حال دعنا نصل إلى الشيء الحقيقي. Anyway, come to the point. Basically, today I would like to discuss about the test on a servant from Allah. Okay, I'll try to say something briefly about this, inshallah. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَإِلَيْهِ يُنِيبُ. About the test of Allah, Allah Rabbul Alamin said of Surah Baqarah in verse 155, Allah said, وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Allah Rabbul Alamin said in this verse, mostly I will test you with some fear and with hunger and by shortness or damages of wealth and life, fruits and grains or crops, and give glad tidings to the patient. From this verse we can understand that Allah tests us through several things, and that's number one is fear. Sometimes Allah tests His servants through fear. There may be fear of the world, there may be fear of the sky, can be any fear. Allah Rabbul Alamin wants to test through fear whether the servants trusts Him or not. And number two is hunger. Sometimes Allah gives the servant lack. Allah tests the servant through hunger to see if the servant is trusting in Allah or not. It's been said that the hunger test is the biggest test, right? And number three is life. Sometimes Allah can take you or someone from the world to see you can be patient or not, and this is the test from Allah. And number four is wealth. Sometimes your assets can be lost. It may catch fire, it may be stolen, it may be lost. Actually, Allah Rabbul Alamin wants to see through this whether you trust Him or not. And the last number five is through crop destruction. Sometimes Allah tests you by destroying your fruits and crops to see you have patience and trust in Allah. All these are tests from Allah. Allah tests those whom He loves. Subhanallah. Allah says at the end of this verse, فَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Give glad tidings to the patient. It means those who will rely on Allah with full faith in all these matters, good news for them. They will pass the test of Allah. Subhanallah. So from the above discussion we can understand that Allah tests His servants through suffering. But there is good news for those who are patient. هَذَا مَا عِنْدِي وَالْعِلْمُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَإِلَيْهِ يُنِيبُ. I hope see you next time. Keep fine and take care yourself, and finally peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.